What's up, guys? Happy Friday. We're gonna have some fun with this short video today. So I decided to do a video about a mystery celebrity, and yes, I'm calling Matt Stoney a celebrity who uses merch by Amazon to sell his merch. Now, I like to go down YouTube rabbit holes. I don't ever plan on going down YouTube rabbit holes, but that's kind of what the internet does, isn't it? It just kind of sends you down these crazy directions, and you know, it could be videos, it could be just reading content, whatever it is though. Next thing you know, hours go by and you're like, how did I get here? Why am I watching somebody consume, 50 hot dogs in a couple minutes? Or why am I watching Matt Stoney here, a competitive eater who you guys have probably seen on stage on July 4th at the Nathan's hot dog eating contest next to Joey Chestnut there, who we can't seem to best. Joey Chestnut is the man, honestly. He makes other competitive eaters look like they're not competitive eaters, look like mere mortals. Anyways, I was watching this video the other day, and again, I don't know why, but I watch a lot of YouTube. I guess that's really it.
This is a lot. This is, no, it's actually not that much. It's only 7.5 pounds of food. It's less than 8,000 calories, just about 8,000. Shouldn't be that hard.
Yes, Matt Stoney did just look at a plate of 15 packs of ramen noodles. He said it was 8 pounds of food, or no, he said 8,000 calories and like over 7 pounds of food. And he said, oh, it's not that much. And if you want to watch, we'll watch a couple seconds of him eating this food.
Challenge starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go.
He's a machine. I do not understand how he does this. I also do not understand how he has a relatively skinny appearance. He doesn't look like he weighs that much, right? It's not just me. He's about to consume, on a percentage basis, probably a substantial percentage of his body weight in noodles right in front of the camera. Anyways, you can check out the rest of the video. I'll put a link to the description. But the reason I wanted to make this video and kind of have fun with it on a Friday is check out the top left corner of the screen here while he's plugging his merch.
I'm also selling them on Amazon now, so I can buy new shirts on Amazon.
So he's also pushing people to his Amazon merch store. And I thought that was cool, right? Because most people don't know what the heck Amazon merch is. So, hey, who knows what the future is going to hold as far as celebrities jumping on the merch platform and selling their merch by Amazon products. You know what I mean? Like, the barrier of entry, as we know, is really more or less, like, at least, independent of the geographic location thing, which makes it hard to get accepted on the platform. It's really just about like knowledge. Like, do you know how easy it is to sell merch on Amazon? And of course, us, you and I, us in the know, we benefit from everybody not really understanding. Like, it would be better if he didn't show the merch by Amazon logo and just said Amazon, right? Because now more people are going to, 15.2 million subscribers as of recording this. They're going to see that. Some percentage of them are probably going to go Google what the heck that is, stumble on merch by Amazon, and it's just going to create more competition for us that have already been there. This is what we see on Redbubble, by the way. Low barrier of entry equals more competition equals harder to make sales. But I thought it was cool that, let's call him a minor celebrity. He's on, national TV once a year, and he's got 15+ million subscribers on YouTube. So, probably deserves more than just minor celebrity. But let me know if you knew who Matt Stoney was in the comments below, and let me know how many packs of ramen noodles can you eat in one sitting. I'd probably max out at like 2, and I know that's not impressive, but I'm not much of a competitive eater. So that's just me. I thought it was fun though, and I wanted to get this video out there and just kind of show you that, hey, like, minor celebrities may be jumping on the platform to push their own branded merchandise. We had also seen this with another YouTuber who had probably roughly in the same range of subscriber count, Shane Dawson. I don't think he's on YouTube anymore, but he had a huge YouTube following, very active YouTube following, and he always had some of the best-selling merch by Amazon shirts. But like, if you didn't know they were his, then you would look at, whatever research tool you're using and be like, why the heck is this shirt selling so well? And eventually one day I figured it out and I was like, oh my gosh, that's why it's selling so well. It's a YouTuber sending direct traffic to his listing. Because otherwise it made absolutely no sense that he would have these random shirts trending year round. So anyways, guys, I just wanted to share this video with you, have some fun on a Friday, but enjoy the rest of your day, enjoy the rest of your weekend. I'll see you tomorrow with a new video.